Hey y'all.
Welcome back for another video. Today we are having dinner in the car.
We're trying a pizza place here in North Dallas called Sam's Pizza. And we're doing the pizza and the chicken and shrimp Alfredo.
Chicken and shrimp Alfredo is hot.
Look how, you hear the sound, how creamy it is? Look at all that sauce. And look at those giant shrimps. So good.
You see how big those shrimp are? So good. The chicken's not as flavorful as the shrimp. Shrimp is really, really good.
Here. Y'all have a bite too. Hot.
I know. It's burning your little fingers. What is that?
Why are we struggling? We have a pizza box. We literally have a pizza box and we're struggling over here.
It's good though.
Only thing is they give you like 3 shrimps for 20 bucks.
Huge shrimp.
Oh, 4 shrimp, sorry. This is a pretty big portion too though.
It is. Well, this is the pizza. We went ahead and just did Italian sliced sausage. Oh, I thought I was going to do a cheese pull.
It's a New York style pizza, a little bit thinner. It's good pizza though.
It's good. And today's drink is Blueberry's applesauce. I mean apple juice.
She's just kidding. Now in the comments, do y'all eat pizza crust? Or do y'all just eat the best part and leave the crust? I think the crust is the best part.
Yeah, I like the crust. How'd you rate the pasta?
The pasta is definitely like a 9 out of 10.
9.
Y'all have a bite with us? We don't bite, we share. Last bite, y'all. Thanks for watching and tuning in. We appreciate all the love. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye. Till next time.